How to see your password on Spotify. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you have forgotten your password and want to check it, you can do so through your phone settings. However, this process can be helpful to you if you have used the Google Password Manager. If not, just tap on the Forgot Password option and enter your email address to reset a new one. Start off by launching your phone settings in your device. Through here, scroll down and check out the option of Google. Now in here, check out all services. Scroll down and select on the option of autofill with Google. Now right here, you will see Google Password Manager. Click on the option. Now from here, scroll down to check out Spotify. Now if you have saved the password, let us consider this as our Spotify. So what you will see is you will see the email address or your username of your Spotify along with the password. You can easily copy from here or just tap on the eye icon to preview the password. Then you can easily enter it to recover or reset your password on Spotify. So this is how you can easily check the password on Spotify. Hopefully this was helpful to you.